Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see Samsung Phone Overheating fix. So how can you do that? The first one is you can head over to your settings and in here scroll down and go to battery and here go for the background usage limits and in here see for the deep sleeping apps. So if you have turned on the put unused apps to sleep, then you're all good to go. But if you haven't, then you can turn it on, because if you turn it on, the apps you rarely use will be turned to deep sleep, because it reduces your background usage and your phone doesn't get overheated. And the second thing is it can reduce your screen brightness. So Samsung allows us to turn or lower our screen brightness. Doing this, your phone's overheating issue might be avoided. And the last but not the least thing you can try is please must avoid your gaming while you're charging your Samsung phone. So it overheats your phone and the charging problem may get arise. So yeah, these are the three fixes you can try to solve the issue. Hope this video will help you out, and please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.